Dear students, today I am going to discuss mechanism of formation of ether from alcohol. So as you have read that two molecule of ethanol reacting with H2SO4 at lower temperature, that is 413 Kelvin, form diethyl ether, so called ethoxyethane. So here temperature is very important factor. That means if lower temperature is there, ether will be formed, and if temperature is higher, then alkene will form. So we are going to prepare ether. Therefore temperature must be considered at lower temperature, this one. Now the mechanism behind this reaction is as follows. So first of all, this one H2SO4 sulfuric acid ionizes to form H plus and HSO4 minus ion. Now this mechanism occurs in three steps. So in step 1, protonation of alcohol occur. Here you will see that this one alcohol CH3CH2OH ethanol C2H5OH react with H plus ion, this one. Okay, so what happened here? Here oxygen is electron rich, it having two lone pair of electron, and here H plus, that means it having vacant electron. So it will provide electron to H plus ion and will make a bond, OH bond. So you can see here CH3 CH2 OH bond formed, and this one is positively charged. Since oxygen has given electron, therefore there is a scarcity of electron, therefore positive charge is developed at oxygen atom. So this is the protonation of alcohol occur. Now in step 2, formation of protonated ether. So here you will see that this is another molecule of ethanol. I have told you that two molecules of ethanol is involved in this reaction. So this one is the second molecule and this one is the species formed. That means this oxygen is, again you can say that there are two electron pair. Now this species, here you know that oxygen having positive charge and oxygen is electronegative element. So what will happen? This oxygen will pull its electron towards itself. As a result, there will be a development of positive charge. Okay, we can denote it just like del plus. Since electron is pulled towards oxygen, why? Oxygen is an electronegative element. So if these electrons are pulled by the oxygen, then what will happen? Here a positive charge will temporarily develop, but there is not completely isolation here, as this species water, that means HOH, oxygen pulls electron, water molecule eliminated. So here you can say that minus H2O, water eliminated, and at the meantime just this happen at randomly, oxygen attach this carbon atom positive center, since it is positively charged, and this one electron species. So again you can say that this one is nucleophilic attraction occur. So nucleophilic attack occur here, and ultimately a species formed. This one you can see that this species formed, this one. So this one is CH3 CH2O, and this oxygen attached with this carbon. So you can say that this carbon is this one, and CH3 this one. Now you know that this oxygen has provided electron, therefore it having a scarcity of electron. So positive charge developed here, you can see here. So positive charge developed at this oxygen. Now water is eliminated, so this species is formed. Now we are nearer to formation of ether. So in step 3, deprotonation of protonated ether occur. So this one is species protonated ether. Now we have to just remove this one H plus ion. So actually what happened? Oxygen is electronegative element and this one contains positive charge, as I have told you earlier. So what will happen? This oxygen will pull its electron. So as these electrons are pulled by oxygen, then H plus leave its position as H plus ion, this one, and ether is formed. So again CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. So ether is formed here and H plus is eliminated, this one. Now again this H plus and HSO4 minus, which I have shown you in starting, this one HSO4 minus and H plus ion, this one, react to form H2SO4. So again here we can say that H2SO4 acts as a catalyst in this reaction. I hope you understood this mechanism, and 2 or 3 times you will practice, definitely will be perfect. Till then, thank you, bye bye.